Hey guys, I am currently in Poway in the new development area. This is one of the plans that I want to show you today. So with that being said, let's go check it out. So this community is called the Cottages, and this is resident 4A. That is the call of the plan, and it's just under 2,500 square feet. It is a 1-story, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, and I am going to show you the property. I'm just going to show you what it looks like from the outside. You do have the garage in here, and as we walk into the property inside, you do have the security system and of course the code. So I just put the code inside and let's have a tour. Let's close the door just in case. You have the security system like all the homes here have, and on the left side as you walk in, this is going to be your living space area where you're going to be hanging out with your family. It is a 1-story home. The other 2 plans in this area are 2-story, and then there's another one that's just 1-story. But in the meantime, this is a very open and white and light color kitchen. You have the pantry on the right side over here. Plenty of space. New oven and microwave. And this is the Poway District Schools. So you do have plenty of great schools in this area. You have another sink here with windows, which I really like. I think that's an amazing feature that new built homes are not doing, that I really appreciate. Let's check out the backyard. So walking to the backyard, I think this is the biggest yard of all the homes that I've seen so far in this area. You can literally play tennis here if you really wanted to, or even bowling, but you have plenty of space. You have turf here, plenty of space for dogs if you don't want to take them out to the park too often. This is the master over here, which I'll show you after, but it's a pretty spacious backyard. And let's keep on with our tour. Close this door over here. From the kitchen and the living area, we're going to show you the rest of the home, and there is an area here to put all of your shoes and clothes away as soon as you walk into the property. You have another area where you can just get ready, hang out here, and this is where the house splits. The AC system is right here. I believe this is the master. Yes, it is. And you also have access to the outdoor area. They did a really nice job when it comes to decorating and painting the house. Just paint alone really makes a statement in every bedroom, especially in the outside of the house. Walking to the master bedroom, 2 sinks, beautiful vanity. You have the bathroom on this side, shower over here with the bath, and the walk-in closet. And I think this closet is twice the size of the closets that I've seen so far in this collection, which is kind of interesting because this is the smallest unit out of the 4, I believe. Walking in and keep going to the other area, I think this is the garage. And I believe these are 2-door garage. Yes. I mean 2-car garage. I'm just going crazy today. Keep going. You have another area here for the bathroom. And then you have another bedroom here with a closet and a connected shower, bathroom, and the sinks. You have 2 sinks here. And you have 2 sinks here because you have another connected bedroom here. So it could be a brother and a sister that live together with carpet. These rooms do have carpet and the dryer. Window right here, sink in here. Plenty of space. I think this is the number 1 and number 2 smallest units out of the 4, but it really does feel open in my personal opinion. If you like the tour of this house, there are 3 more in this collection, and I'd be more than happy to show them to you. And if you're not interested in this collection and you just want to buy or sell here in San Diego, I'll be more than happy to be a resource for you, and I'm going to leave all my information in the description below, so feel free to reach out to me. And until then, до свидания.